大云佛基金会 BCDI Because Foundation WHO and WHA 2024 to 2026 White Report. WHO and WHA 2024 to 2026 White Owner Jana Liao Report. Jana Liao is New Buddhism founder, is best meditator, best Buddha, best host ceremony. These all had academic honor certificate to prove. The upper photo is Jana Buddha. The down photo is Bhikkhu Buddha. Jana Buddha is Jana Liao Dharma name, and Bhikkhu Buddha is Jana Liao formal Buddha name. How come one person has two Buddha names? Yes, that's the difference. Jana Buddha is Jana Liao Dharma name. Bhikkhu Buddha is Jana Liao formal Buddha name. Here is the short self-introduction. In the very beginning, Jana Buddha majored in two kinds of religion. One is the bad religion, the other is Chan religion. The bad religion 是跟路上都是Jana Liao and one President Chen Shui-bian advised her she just got the Taipei Dalai Lama office response because he is Losang Lama, so no need to have ceremony. At that moment, she rang mail to request country civil ceremony. That's why President Chen Shui-bian responded her that. In the same year, 2002, in 1046, Generation 10 Master Guangqing Monk, he just happened to come on the ground to ask, "Did you like Guangqing?" And I responded him, "Yes, I like mountain people." So Guangqing seemed very satisfied and go back. And later he come back to ask me whether I would like to be his inheritor, to be Bodhisattva Generation 10 Master. I said yes. And after that, Guangqing monk he bring Tai Chi Master to be with me until they both all be my ancestors. That's why I got to measure two ancestors, their major courses. Guangqing monk is major Namo Amitabha. We recite every day 100 times. Yeah, and Bhikkhu Buddha built on the new westward so that makes his Namo Amitabha necessary need. And Tai Chi Master, yeah, now is this major moment. This major is Mila Bodhisattva and Mila Buddha, period. That's why our sitting gesture is putting our leg on the chair. We sit on chair and our feet is on the ground and our hand is put on leg toe. Our back is knees is close to the chair. That's why that is neither Buddhisava, that time of the gesture, not the same as Shakyamuni, both in that period of time. And how about Bhikkhu Buddha name? Yes, Bhikkhu Buddha is Jana Liao, former Buddha name. That was from Jana Buddha. He from 2007, November 4, from the birth to heaven and to fly to 33 heaven that lady. And on 2007, November 4, she flies 32 heaven to 33 heaven that moment. She reached 33 heaven. Why? Because Buddha will become honorable former Buddha name. That's because Shakyamuni want to memorize down that big achievement. So she honors her. That big name is in Chinese 大云佛. In English, it's called Buddha. No matter Chinese or English, all from Shakyamuni head. That was happened on 2013, February 8, after Shakyamuni jumped back to the earth. First thing later, she done the biggest thing on the earth. She just in front of 3 million local Taiwan disciple faces, and means she provide an honor Jana Buddha, 大云佛, and say she is the 33 heaven flyer to memorize down her big achievement. So honor her 大云佛. Understand? That's why she also admits Jana Buddha at that moment. Later on, because Bhikkhu Buddha is his wife, Yesu Toro. That day happened. And later in 2015, after 2013, who created one new religion. That is in August, yes. And because Buddha at that moment just invited other 4 religions had, so we just create a religion. That is happily and merely war. And later we become New Buddhism. That was in 2015. Shakyamuni, after 2 years consideration, she persuaded and accepted that Earth's religion changed to be New Buddhism, and founder is Bhikkhu Buddha. That is my short introduction.